I have a 23 horsepower Kawasaki on a Great Dane standard. About to change the motor, swap it out with a Kohler command. This one's seized. Looks like there's 4 nuts, 13 millimeter. They're not even tight. I'm gonna put the ratchet on. The problem, I get the pulley nut off first. Down in here, I'm gonna take that off. It pulls out easy. Everything else looks pretty simple. Just 4 13 millimeters and whatever I do to get the pulley free. So this is the electric clutch. This is a 16 on this one. It's actually not that. Thought it'd be a little tighter than that. Don't even need impact tools for this. Alright, well, it's hard to hold the camera in this position, but it's just a 16 millimeter. I almost hammered that off. I'm just gonna pop that off real quick. So far, this is going pretty easy. The only bolt I had a problem with is this one right here. It's the pulley's on the way on the bottom, so I'm gonna secure it. So I use this for leverage. And I'm just twisting this off. That's about to come off. Before I did that, I was just spinning on the other end. I can't get my hand in there. If you're not using this exact mower, you're not switching the same exact thing. You won't have that in your place, but okay, after I took that bolt out, it just popped out. I just gotta disconnect everything. Fuel, starter solenoid, wirings in here. Got the throttle on the governor. Same thing, throttle, choke. Get this out the